Hey there, this is a quick video on jury duty, and the reason you may ask why am I doing a video on jury duty is because I had jury duty today. In fact, I've got to report back on Wednesday. I don't know if I'll ultimately be picked, but there you have it. And it got me to thinking about why jury duty. What's so important about it? Why should we be there for each other as citizens? And where does it come from? What's the purpose of it? How did it originate? Some of these questions I had to refresh myself about, and I'm an attorney. So the jury as we know it today, which is where 12 people indifferently chosen beyond suspicion sit in judgment, comes from really the British common law, but wasn't really applied to every citizen in all cases until the 1700s, give or take. And the reason why it was implemented is because it protects two things. It's a strong barrier, twofold barrier between an individual's liberty and now their property and the prerogative of the crown or the government for justice, to incarcerate someone, for justice in redressing a wrong when there's been an automobile accident or some sort of injury, or somebody has put a pipeline through your farm, or any number of those injuries where your property's injured and you need to redress that somehow. You bring it through a legal system, through our legal system, and if a resolution cannot be had, then 12 people will sit in judgment. And the reason why that's important to participate is because where the Constitution of the United States and of the state of Texas truly hit the road, where the rubber truly hits the road, besides the right to vote, is the jury system. It is where we actually participate in one of the most important parts of our government, the checks and balances, right? The judicial system is a check on the powers of government, just as the legislature and the judicial branch of the United States government are checks on the executive office. It's all part of our system of governance where we, the people, govern ourselves because we are all fit to do so. And this is true. It's one of the lowest tiers of that system, but it's also one of the most critical. And it's no less critical than your right to vote. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful. Have a wonderful afternoon.